Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve your Monopoly Go update. To know how to fix or to solve Monopoly Go update, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about this window of Monopoly Go. Then in this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache and you can go to Play Store. You will search about Monopoly Go. When you'll find this blue sign update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.